Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, so on our 3-layer cake, the first thing we're going to do is our routines. So let's get up this morning and do our morning routine. Quick review: get up, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on a little makeup, put on some jewelry, fix your hair, put on your clothes, put your pajamas away, wipe out the sink, switch the toilet, go to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, make a little breakfast, have a little coffee. Ta-da! Here's kids. Next are children. Wake your children up. If your children wake up before you're done, you can't handle them right then. You say, "I'm sorry, you woke up too early. Stay in the bed. I'll let you know when it's time to get up." If they're tiny, here's a glass of water, go back to bed, whatever, okay? Next, wake your kids up. Kids are going to make their bed, brush their teeth, wash their face, comb their hair, put on their clothes, wipe the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up their towel, put their pajamas away, put the clothes on if I didn't already say that, come to the kitchen and eat breakfast. Next thing will be they have to get their backpacks together and go to school if they're school age or if you're not homeschooling. Next thing is, and maybe incorporated in there somehow, some other things. So always I'd like you to check your planner. That's another thing I want you to do in the morning. And I'd like you to do a clutter check after breakfast if you have kids. Even if you don't have kids, you're a clutterer. Clutter check yourself. Then if you had any other little chores in there that you have to do first thing in the morning, that's going to happen too, but only if you have to do them first thing in the morning. You don't have to walk the dog first thing in the morning unless you have to be at work. If you don't have to be at work, you can walk the dog later. You can let him out to go potty, but you can walk him later, right? We're going to do our household things first, and that would be number two. Today is our free day. Ta-da! So today's your free day. You don't have to do anything besides your laundry and an inch of paper. That's it. You're going to do your other routines, your after dinner routine, your before bed routine, but that's it. And as far as the zone goes, you're also going to skip your zone today. We are in zone 4. Yesterday, I'm afraid I said that zone 4 was the living room. Cuckoo. No, it is the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. So if you did something in your living room and you want to stay in the living room this week, that's fine. You can just switch it out for next week when you do your bedroom, or you can stop, go finish your bedroom, and then next week do one day in the bedroom and finish the living room, or stop the perfectionism altogether. Just do the bedroom the rest of the week. Next week, do the living room again. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to come around again, right? All right. What else? What else is exciting? If you're working, now if you're working, I used to not give you a free day, but I'm giving you a free day. The only thing you're not going to have as a free day is you still have to do laundry. You still have to do your paper routine when you first come home. Everybody has to clutter check your family 3 times a day before you go to work, when you come home from work, before bed, or if you're staying at home, before the kids go to school, or after breakfast, after lunch, or when the kids come home from school, before bed, okay? And you're also going to inspect what you expect, period. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is, for you guys working, is you're still going to take care of that basic weekly home blessing hour. So when you get home, you're going to start your laundry, go through your paper, start dinner, and then either, and I hope you're delegating, but if you're not delegating, you're choosing to do this yourself, go do the next thing in your weekly home blessing hour. So far you've already done your sheets and bed, and now let's do glass. We're going to do glass today, okay? So polish the glass or delegate that. Kids love to do that stuff. All right, then together we're going to come all together after dinner, do the after dinner routine. What is the routine? Again, it is cleaning as you go, so you don't have a pile of dirty dishes at the end, wiping your little spills, etc. off the countertops. And then after dinner, everyone is going to help carry their plate to the dishwasher or the sink, whichever you have to do. Maybe scrape things in the garbage. Everybody can do that. They're all capable. And then somebody's going to wipe the table. Somebody's going to sweep the things that have fallen on the floor. Somebody's going to do a final wash of the countertops. Somebody's going to wipe the stove, and if dishes have to be hand washed, somebody's going to hand wash the dishes, rinse them, and put them in the dish rack. But nobody has to put them away. You don't have to dry them and put them away. That's first thing in the morning job. Okay. All right. And then if you have a baby, of course, you have to clean up after the baby, the high chair or whatever, and underneath it. And that's it. And then after dinner, you're going to do the before bed routine, including a clutter check. The before bed routine for children, again, is pick up your toys, which is part of clutter check. Take a bath, wash your hair if you have to, put on your PJs, put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes basket, pick out a book to read, and make sure all the things are done. Your homework is all done before the before bed routine. That's your job, Mom. Inspect what you expect. And then everything's by the front door ready to go on your launch pad. All right, and if you're super tired, take care of you first. Remember the airplane with the oxygen mask? You can't take care of others if you haven't taken care of yourself. That's loving yourself. So if you're super tired, you go take your shower first. You go get your PJs on. You check your planner. These are the things that you do, right? You check your planner, and then before bed, you turn on the dishwasher, make sure it's running, and you put a fresh towel in your kitchen, right? Give everybody kisses and love, because you never know. It's so important. This is what life is about. It's the people that we love, our relationships, not about your house. Get your house clean, but don't be a perfectionist. Be a perfect lover. Love your family perfectly. That's what you want to do. And that's still imperfect, but love them the best you can. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.